channel. Today I have another Amazon wig for you guys that I'm going to review. I purchased this wig because I just wanted to try a different style other than like the frontals, the lace closures, and plus I wanted to see how I would look with big curly hair. So this is the hair. Right, so this is from Zinran. It says best quality tangle free curly hair. It is a 1B, so let's go. Ooh, excuse me. Let me cut this little tag off before I put it on. All right, so now that the tag is cut off, again, I'm a little scared because I've never ever had a wig like this, nor have I ever tried on a wig like this. So let's see. Oh my god. This is even how it's supposed to look. Wait. Alright, hold on. Alright, let's try this on. One more time, let me clip. Alright, let's try this. I don't, maybe if I cut some, you know, like kind of layer it or something, because this is just, I don't know, y'all. This ain't doing it for me. Okay, all right, let me not. Okay. No, maybe if I like do this. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing because I'm not a hairstylist. I don't even know how to like, I would have to like maybe play with it or something, like take some, I look stupid. Do I? Maybe if I like play with it a little bit. Ooh. It's not me, but the question is, what is me? Yo, did I get hair on my lip? This ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work, y'all. This. See, you know what? At least I tried because I wanted to try something different. Maybe for a photo shoot or something. It's not even me though. You know, most people are like so used to seeing me with straight hair, body wave hair, part in the middle, side part, but, or like sometimes curly hair, but nothing like this. Or maybe. Okay, I don't know. Maybe I just gotta get used to it because it's like it's new, you know? I'm trying to think. Stop it, girl. Oh no. I look. Okay, my first thoughts on this is I look stupid. Okay, I really do. I feel like I look stupid. But somebody else may be like, you know what? If you just fluff it out, cut out, layer it a little bit. I don't know how to do all that, and I feel like if I start, I'm gonna mess the wig up even more. Well, it's not like it's messed up, but y'all know what I mean? Cause I don't know if I'm saying it right, but let me see. Let me see what my husband say. Hold on.
You're beautiful.
Oh man.
It's like this right here. I just want to cut all of this out.
No, and then it look like this. So, that's a no.
Yeah, sorry.
I could probably do this for a photo shoot or something.
Please.
I'm not gonna wear this out.
Huh?
Maybe like if we had like a 70s night.
Yeah. Only for the 70s night.
Yeah, 70s night, like we had like skate night.
You know you look at me.
So there you have it, folks. This wig is not for me, but it was a try. I tried, I gave it a chance, and maybe in the future I can find a way to like make it look better, because from far it's like okay, but when I come close it looks stupid and it's making my lash look lopsided. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.